Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Whatever accounts of our quests we may give birth to, the self-originating does not move. We think about this, but we have no conception of what it is to be without cravings and beyond strife. We do not see any contemplation. This is the space of a circle. There is no such thing as inferential awareness. Unimpeded knowledge is a transmission of self-awareness. Our self-awareness is inferred by its connections. The mind of self-awareness is an uncontrived secret. Within the one circle, we live in perfection. We have been perfect from the beginning. We have no true nature. The secret of our self-originating heart essence is the experience of a natural state, in which we use contemplations to settle ourselves. When we settle ourselves just as we are, without contrivance, we are primordially present, within the wheel that settles itself. We reach the end of our thoughts about this true nature that we do not seek. We get a reward, the realization of our own settling. The interests of our disciples will be various. They will appear just as we train them. Using the methods of our lineage, we do not see our true natures to be anything special. We are like mirrors. We are exhausted in our teaching them about the methods there are to guide them. After we have encountered the symbols for our self-originating awareness, we do not follow on the trails of demarcated language and words. The wheel in which we settle ourselves is primordially present. In a true nature that we do not hunt, our thoughts reach their end. Our root is the perfection of our own mind. This is why there are no divisions in the transmission of our circle. Our three bodies are spontaneously perfected in our awareness. We renounce any consciousness that seeks for something else. The heart essence of self-originating perfection is primordially free from the darkness of our attributions. The virtue of self-originating awareness also does not stop for our emotional problems and our ideas. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 21, teaching that in the Great Perfection we have nothing to refute or to prove.